Hello everyone. I am Dr. T.M. Inbamalar, working as professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, RMK College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to study about safety regulations. Under that we are going to see in detail about explosion. Explosion is actually a production of a pressure discontinuity or blast wave. It appears because of pressure disturbance, that is, rapid combustion of a flammable material give rise to explosion. Let us see the classification of explosions. It can be classified as chemical explosions, physical explosions, and vapor cloud explosions. First, let us see about chemical explosion. This arises due to exothermic reaction occurring internally. Decomposition of unstable substances, polymerization of monomers, or combustion of fuel oxidant mixtures produces chemical explosion. Heating and increase of molecular number can result in a rise in pressure to the bursting point of the vessel. Let us see the causes of chemical explosions. Natural disasters, improper or infrequent maintenance, improper storage or transportation of hazardous chemicals, insufficient training of personnel, human error in the operation of equipment are all common causes. Malfunctioning of a defective product such as a safety valve or a warning system is also a cause of chemical explosion. Now let us see the types of injuries. Concussants, inner ear damage and punctured retinas. If we see in detail, concussions refers to a temporary unconsciousness. Ear damage can be internal, retinas puncture, then shrapnel type puncture wounds anywhere on the body, poisoning, lung damage. Impact injuries can occur when the force of the explosion slams you against a wall, the ground, or any hard object. Skin burns as well as lung damage. Now let us come to the physical explosion. This is due to overpressure, as in the case of steam boiler and air receiver explosions. Fire is not necessarily a consequence. Fire involving stock, buildings and plant ancillaries. Boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion, abbreviated as BLEVE. It happens in LPG or propane storage facilities. Now let us see in detail about BLEVE, that is boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion. There must be a substance in liquid form. The liquid must be in a container like sphere, billet and rod or rail tanker. The contained liquid must be at a temperature above its normal boiling point at atmospheric pressure. Failure of the container. Let us see the hazards of BLEVE. Fireball with thermal radiation with some rainout forming pool fires. Missiles and major fragmentation. Rocketing vessel parts. Overpressure from minor shock waves. Ignition of a flammable mixture of vapor, gas, aerosol or mist, release of a sufficient quantity of flammable gas or vaporizing liquid from a storage tank, process or transport vessel, piping system comes under vapor cloud explosion. 5 conditions for vapor cloud explosions. The released material must be flammable and at suitable conditions to form a vapor cloud. An ignition source is needed to initiate the explosion. Ignition of the flammable vapor cloud must be delayed until a cloud of sufficient size is formed. Turbulence is required for the flame front to accelerate to the speeds required for a vapor cloud explosion. Confinement of the cloud by obstacles can result in rapid increases in pressure during combustion. Thank you.